Hello everyone and welcome to Ngaru Learning Hub. Today we begin our grade 10 agriculture lesson with the topic Introduction to Agriculture. Agriculture is one of the oldest and most important activities in the world. It provides us with food, clothing, income, and many useful products we use every day. In this lesson, we will learn what agriculture is, why it is important, its main branches, and how it supports our lives, community, and the economy. By the end of this lesson, students should be able to define agriculture in simple terms, explain the importance of agriculture in daily life, identify the main branches of agriculture, and describe how agriculture supports food, jobs, and the economy. As you watch this lesson, think about your family and community and how agriculture helps people live, work, and earn income. Agriculture is the science and practice of growing crops, raising animals, and managing natural resources to produce food, fiber, and other useful products. Agriculture includes planting vegetables, fruits, and cash crops. It also includes raising animals such as pigs, chicken, cattle, and goats. In simple words, agriculture is farming and the wise use of land, water, soil, plants, and animals to support life. Agriculture has a long history. In the beginning, early humans survived by hunting animals and gathering wild fruits, seeds, and roots. About 10,000 years ago, people discovered that crops could be planted and animals could be domesticated. This was the beginning of farming. Farming allowed people to stay in one place, build villages, and store food for the future. Today, agriculture uses science, machinery, irrigation, and technology to increase production and improve lives. Agriculture is important because it provides food for our daily life. It creates jobs for farmers, traders, transporters, processors, and many other workers. Agriculture supports the economy by helping families earn income and by contributing to national development. It also supplies raw material for industries such as food processing, clothing, medicine, and manufacturing. In simple words, agriculture supports food, work, income, and community life. There are several main branches of agriculture. Crop production is the growing of food and cash crops such as vegetables, fruits, cocoa, coffee, and oil palm. Animal production is the raising of livestock such as cattle, pigs, goats, and poultry. Forestry is the management of trees and forests for timber, fuel, and environmental protection. Fisheries involve catching or breeding fish and other aquatic resources. Agribusiness includes processing, transporting, marketing, and selling farm products. Agriculture is very important in Papua New Guinea. Most families depend on farming for food and income. Main food crops include sweet potato, taro, banana, cassava, yam, and vegetables. Important cash crops include coffee, cocoa, oil palm, copra, and rubber. Agriculture supports rural livelihood, local markets, and export earnings. In simple words, agriculture in Papua New Guinea helps provide food, jobs, income, and national development. Agriculture offers many career opportunities. A farmer grows crops and raises animals for food and income. An agricultural teacher teaches students agricultural knowledge and practical skills. An extension officer helps farmers improve farming methods and solve farming problems. A veterinarian or animal health worker cares for livestock and farm animals. An agronomist or researcher studies crops, soil, and new ways to increase production. An agribusiness manager works with processing, marketing, and selling farm products. Although agriculture is very important, it faces many challenges. Climate change can cause droughts, floods, strong winds, and unpredictable seasons. Pests and diseases can destroy crops and livestock. Poor infrastructure, such as bad roads and limited storage facilities, makes it difficult for farmers to transport and sell their products. Some farmers also have limited access to finance, training, tools, and technology. Market problems and land issues can also reduce farmers' income and limit agricultural development. Sustainable agriculture means farming in a way that meets today's food needs without damaging the environment for future generations. It protects soil, water, forest, and biodiversity. Sustainable practices include soil conservation, crop rotation, water management, integrated pest management, agroforestry, and responsible livestock management. We can also use compost, reduce waste, save water, and care for the land. Sustainable agriculture is not just farming, it is caring for our land, our food, and our future. Let us review the important ideas from this lesson. Agriculture is the science and practice of farming and raising animals. It began long ago when people learned to grow crops and domesticate animals. Agriculture is important because it provides food, income, employment, raw materials, and support for industries. Its main branches include crop production, animal production, forestry, fisheries, and agribusiness. Agriculture in Papua New Guinea supports families, communities, and the economy. Now try to answer the review questions and check your understanding. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 1, Introduction to Agriculture. I hope you have learned something new about the importance of agriculture in our daily lives. Thank you for watching Ngaru Learning Hub. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will not miss our next agriculture lesson. God bless you and see you in the next lesson.